Hello my families, welcome back. In previous class we have seen about ways to ask direction in Amharic language, okay? And today in our session we will see the responses after asking directions in Amharic language, okay? How can we respond after we have asked about directions, okay? We'll see that. And they are important one. Okay, let us proceed. First, let us see important words in order to respond after asking direction. And some of them are straight, here it is straight, right, left, front, behind, near, far, this way, that way. Some of the important words are this one, while we respond to answer after we ask directions, okay? So, straight in English means what? In Amharic, ቀጥታ, okay? ቀጥታ. So, straight means ቀጥታ in Amharic language. Right means what? ቀኝ. Whereas left means ግራ, okay? Left means ግራ. The other one is front means feet, okay? Feet. Here the word feet, it has two meanings in Amharic language, okay? The first one is feet means front, okay? Front. The other one is feet means face. Okay? Face of a person is also called feet in Amharic language, feet. So feet has two meanings, okay? The first one is feet means front, okay? Front means okay, feet. The other meaning of feet is that face, in order to say face. So your face, okay? Face means in Amharic language feet. Also front means feet. Other one is behind. Behind means ኋላ. Behind means what? ኋላ. Another one is near. Near means ቅርብ, okay? ቅርብ. The other word is that far, okay? Far means ሩቅ, okay? ሩቅ. Far in English means in Amharic ሩቅ. The other one is this way. In order to say this way means በዚህ በኩል, okay? በዚህ በኩል. If you want to say this way in Amharic, we'll say what? በዚህ በኩል. And in order to say that way, we'll say what? በዛ በኩል. Okay? This way is what? በዚህ በኩል. Whereas that way is what? በዛ በኩል. Okay? በዛ በኩል. So, these words are important while we respond, okay? After asking directions, okay? And we'll say example with each of them, okay? As you know, in Amharic language, I have told you before, for instance, the word, if it is good morning, it differs for what? For male, for female, and for two or more than 2 persons. Okay, similarly, here, it differs, okay, for male, for female, and for 2 or more than 2 persons, okay? For instance, let us see for a person who is male, okay, if you want to say, go straight, okay? This person, okay, is a male person. Let us say he asked us direction, okay, and we know the direction, so we tell him, okay. For instance, if the direction is straight, we'll say to him what? Go straight. So, in order to say go straight in Amharic, we'll say what? ቀጥታ ሂድ. ቀጥታ means straight. So, ቀጥታ means straight. ሂድ means what? Go. So, go straight means ቀጥታ ሂድ in Amharic language, okay? ቀጥታ ሂድ. For male person, okay? In order to say go straight. So, when you say go straight, it depends for person, okay? It differs for male person, for female person, and for almost all person. So, if we want to say go straight to a male person, we'll say what? ቀጥታ ሂድ, okay? ቀጥታ ሂድ. Whereas, if the direction is what? To the right, and if he needs to turn to the right, we'll say to him what? Turn to the right. Okay? In order to say turn to the right in Amharic, we'll say what? ወደ ቀኝ ታጠፍ. Okay? In order to say turn to the right, we'll say ወደ ቀኝ ታጠፍ. Okay? ወደ ቀኝ ታጠፍ. It means what? Turn to the right. This one is also for male person, okay? So turn to the right means in order to say turn to the right in Amharic language we'll say ወደ ቀኝ ታጠፍ ወደ ቀኝ ታጠፍ whereas if it is to the left we can say to what turn to the left ወደ ግራ ታጠፍ left means ግራ okay right means ቀኝ so in order to say turn to the left we'll say what ወደ ግራ ታጠፍ in order to say turn to the left okay how about if the direction is in front of the person we'll say to him what it's in front of you okay in front of you in order to say in front of you in Amharic language we'll say ከፊት ለፊት okay ከፊት ለፊት means in front of you okay in front of you so in order to say in front of you if the direction we want to tell him is in front of him we'll say to him what in front of you okay in front of you means in Amharic language we'll say what ከፊት ለፊት means in front of you how about if it is behind of him we'll say to him what it's behind you means in Amharic language ከኋላ in order to say behind you okay in order to say behind you we'll say in Amharic language ከኋላ okay ከኋላ okay behind in order to say behind you we'll say what ከኋላ if it is what near if the direction the person asked us is near we'll say to him what it is near okay it is near in order to say it is near in Amharic language we'll say what ቅርብ ነው in order to say it is near okay near means here ቅርብ means near now means it is so it is near means ቅርብ ነው okay in order to say it is near we'll say in Amharic language ቅርብ ነው how about if the direction the person asked us is far we'll say what it is far okay it is far in order to say it is far we'll say ሩቅ ነው okay ሩቅ means far no means it is so ሩቅ ነው so in order to say it is far we'll say what ሩቅ ነው okay ሩቅ ነው how about if the direction he asked us if the way is this one we'll say what go this way in order to say go this way in Amharic language we'll say what በዚህ በኩል ሂድ means go this way so በዚህ በኩል ሂድ okay በዚህ በኩል ሂድ means go this way how about if the person we want to give him direction to go that way we'll say to him what go that way in Amharic go that way means በዛ በኩል ሂድ okay በዛ በኩል ሂድ means go that way whereas በዚህ በኩል ሂድ is go this way okay በዚህ በኩል if we say በዚህ በኩል ሂድ if we say like that go this way whereas በዛ በኩል ሂድ means go that way so we have seen on how we can respond to a male person okay if he asks such direction okay how about if the person who asked us is a female person how can we respond to her okay in order to say go straight similarly if you want to say go straight the female person will say ቀጥታ ሂጂ okay ቀጥታ ሂጂ if the person is female we'll say what ቀጥታ ሂጂ okay ቀጥታ ሂጂ in order to say go straight to a woman person or to a female person in order to say go straight we'll say what ቀጥታ ሂጂ in order to say turn to the right to a female person we'll say what ወደ ቀኝ ታጠፊ okay ወደ ቀኝ ታጠፊ how about in order to say turn to the left to a female person in order to say turn to the left to a female person we'll say what ወደ ግራ ታጠፊ okay ወደ ግራ ታጠፊ okay ወደ ግራ ታጠፊ and in order to say it's in front of you to a female person in front of you in Amharic we'll say ከፊት ለፊትሽ in order to say in front of you in order to say behind you to a female person we'll say what ከኋላሽ we'll say what ከኋላሽ and in order to say it is near to a female person it is near to a female person, we'll say what? ቅርብ ነው። Okay? ቅርብ ነው. How about to say it is far? It is far. We'll say it far what? ሩቅ ነው. Okay? And how about if you want to say go this way to a female person? Go this way. በዚህ በኩል ሂጂ. We'll say what? በዚህ በኩል ሂጂ. በዚህ በኩል ሂጂ means go this way. Okay? Go this way. How about if you want to say go that way? In order to say go that way to a female person, we'll say what? በዛ በኩል ሂጂ. Okay? በዛ በኩል ሂጂ. Okay. How about if the persons are two or more than two person, how can we tell them the similar directions? Okay? We'll see that. Here it is. Okay? If the persons are two or more than two persons, how can we tell them the directions? Okay? In order to say similarly, go straight. If the persons are two or more than two, in order to say go straight in Amharic language, we will say to them what? ቀጥታ ሂዱ. ቀጥታ means straight. ሂዱ means go for two or more than two persons. Okay? If we want to say go straight to two or more than two persons in Amharic language, we will say to them what? ቀጥታ ሂዱ. Okay? ቀጥታ ሂዱ. How about if you want to say to them what? Turn to the right. In order to say turn to the right to two or two more than two persons, we will say what? ወደ ቀኝ ታጠፉ. ወደ ቀኝ what? ታጠፉ. ወደ ቀኝ ታጠፉ. If you want to say turn to the left to two or more than two persons, if you want to say to them what? Turn to the left, we'll say to them what? ወደ ግራ ታጠፉ. Okay? ወደ ግራ ታጠፉ. We'll say to them ወደ ግራ ታጠፉ. And if you want to say in front of you, okay? If the persons are two or more than two in Amharic, in order to say them what? In front of you, we'll say what? ከፊት ለፊታችሁ. Okay? ከፊት ለፊታችሁ. And if you want to say behind you to two or more than two person in Amharic language, in order to say behind you, we'll say to them what? ከኋላችሁ. Okay? ከኋላችሁ. If you want to say it is near, okay? We'll say what? ቅርብ ነው. Okay? We'll say to them what? ቅርብ ነው. And if you want to say it is far, okay? We'll say to them what? ሩቅ ነው. Okay? ሩቅ ነው. How about if you want to say go this way to what? To two or more than two persons. If you want to say to them go this way in Amharic language, we'll say to them what? በዚህ በኩል what? ሂዱ. በዚህ በኩል ሂዱ. We'll say to them በዚህ በኩል ሂዱ. በዚህ በኩል means this way. Okay? ሂዱ means go. So በዚህ በኩል ሂዱ means go this way. To what? To two or more than two persons. In order to say go this way for two or more than two persons, we'll say what? በዚህ በኩል ሂዱ. How about if you want to say go that way? Okay? Go that way. Two or more than two persons, in order to say go that way in Amharic language, we will say to them what? በዛ በኩል ሂዱ. Okay? በዛ በኩል ሂዱ, which means go that way. So in order to say go that way to two or more than two person in Amharic language, we'll say to them what? በዛ በኩል ሂዱ. So these are some of the example for what? In order to respond after someone asks us about direction, in order to respond to a person. Okay? In Amharic language, it differs for female person, for male person, and for two or more than two person while we what say the word. So we need to take into consideration that. Okay? So we have seen in general about asking direction and on how we can respond on directions we have been asked. So in the next class we'll see other